Use a heat gun or a blow dryer to heat up the display. This will allow you to more easily remove the display in the next step. Also remember that the casing can get pretty hot, so you may want to wear something to protect your hands. Now insert your safe open tool in the seam between the display and the shell. Work your safe open tool around the unit, releasing the display from the adhesive, and then carefully lift the display from the shell. Remove the two Phillips screws from the metal frame. Carefully pry the metal frame from the shell. Now disconnect the LCD cable and the digitizer cable from the logic board.